So let's create a subscription. You can see right here, I've got a create subscription option, and there are a lot of different options for this. This is subscription name. Let's call it the high priority. And I can give it a description here if I would like. I would like to say which log. We're going to put it in the forwarded events log, but I can put this information to any of the logs on this particular computer. I think the forwarded events makes a lot of sense. This does need to be a source computer initiated group rather than this collector initiated. I can select which computer groups in my domain or outside of my domain I would like to include to be able to send this information. And we can always go in and search for computers or groups. Let's find everything. And I want to do everything from the Atlantis Lab PC machine. And maybe that's the one I'd like to choose. Maybe we'd like to put one more in. Maybe I'd like to put my Cheyenne server in here as well. So we'll search for that one, find that one. There it is, Cheyenne. That looks good. Now I've got 2 computers that are included for this particular subscription. And now I get to decide what events I would like to collect. Again, I want to be criticals and warnings, and I would like to only be the Windows application and system logs. That looks pretty good. And I'll leave the rest of this by default, which is everything, all categories, keywords, users, and computers. That looks good. And there are advanced settings in here as well. You can check the bandwidth settings. And if you're over a wide area network connection that has a limited amount of bandwidth, you can minimize the bandwidth or minimize latency if you have plenty of space on your pipe. And of course, choose which protocol you would like to use. We'll leave those the defaults and click OK. And there is our subscription.